Hi there. Welcome back to Healthy Hacks 101. Are you ready to jumpstart your keto diet? Today, I'm going to show you how to get started on this popular and effective way of eating. The keto diet has been gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. It's been shown to help with weight loss, improve energy levels, and even reduce the risk of certain diseases. But if you're just starting out, it can be a bit overwhelming. That's why I've put together some tips and tricks to help you jumpstart your keto journey. First things first, you need to stock up on the right foods. Make sure you have plenty of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. You'll also want to have plenty of low-carb vegetables on hand, like broccoli, spinach, and cauliflower. Now let's get cooking. One of my favorite keto meals is a simple but delicious avocado and egg salad. Just mash up an avocado, add a couple of hard-boiled eggs, and season with salt, pepper, and a splash of lime juice. It's quick, easy, and packed with healthy fats. Of course, a healthy diet is only part of the equation. You'll also want to make sure you're getting plenty of exercise. Even a simple walk around the block can do wonders for your health and well-being. And don't forget to take some time for yourself. Stress can have a major impact on your health, so make sure you're taking some time to relax and unwind every day. Last but not least, make sure you're staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for good health, and it can also help you stay on track with your keto goals. So there you have it, my tips and tricks for jumpstarting your keto diet. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance of healthy foods, exercise, and self-care. Thanks for watching, and happy keto-ing! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more healthy tips.